Yo, it's your boy Windy City Rider, man. We back with another video, man. About to get it cracking. I finally have a reason to smile, man. Hey, things is looking up for this season. We had the mishap last season with my 21-inch rim. With that, we hit that pothole. Had to pretty much get rid of those. But today, we back in the saddle, man. Back on. Got the new shoes just got dropped off, man. I'm so excited. I've been waiting on these a while, so we're gonna get out here. We're gonna do an official unboxing, not an install today, even though I'm very anxious, but we're just gonna go ahead and do an unboxing, a quick unboxing. We're not probably not even gonna pull them out the box. I just need to see what they look like. I've been waiting a while. So we got the handy dandy kitchen knife out here. Go ahead and get that open so we can take a quick look. Oh shit, they really got this glued down. Oh, stapled. Alright. Good thing the garbage come tomorrow. We can get all that foam popcorn out the way. See if we can get a quick sneak peek of what them things look like. Alright, we got a little thing. Alright, they're wrapped in pretty tight. We'll be back. We'll go ahead and unbox this one. This appears to be the front wheel, judging off the size. So we'll be back. Let's get this open. Get this out for you guys to take a look. Man, we back out there briefing the mission, man. We got popcorn everywhere, man. I'm too excited. Words can't describe it. Once you buy a rim, then you see what your rims look like. I mean, your bike look like on some nice rims. Get a pothole, flat tire, damage the rims, whatever it may be. Well, you got to take those rims off and resort back to stock. Hey, stock has done me well. I mean, I've took a couple of road trips this season. Been to Houston, Georgia. Hey, man, we've been all over early in the season. But it feels good to get my shoes back. Every good, clean bike needs a nice pair of shoes. It's just like an outfit, man. But we back. Gonna give you guys a quick look at them. We got the SMT Machines. That's the brand I decided to go with. Sorry if the camera a little shaky. I'm kind of holding the GoPro. The excitement is killing me. But we're gonna go ahead and let you guys get a glimpse of me taking this plastic off. And we'll kind of go from there. See if we can get a nice stable working environment. We got some guys working behind us, so that might be the noise you guys hear. See if we can do that. Get the bike out the shot. These are hood productions over here, so everything ain't gonna be perfect. We're gonna go ahead and start cutting it open. Got the new rubber on there. Oh yeah, we coming alive. We back. We back in the joint, my boy. Oh yeah, great decision. I'm happy. I'm more than happy. That's gonna look good up on that road glide. Went with the 21 front, 18 rear. We went on through those on some, you feel me? The Dunlop, got them back in there. They was on my stock Harley wheels. The first initial 21 was on a Metzler. They were cool, but hey, why not just keep it with what works, man? You know what? Let's sit it next to the bike. Let's just get a quick glimpse of what it's possibly gonna look like. Garage a little messy. Don't judge me, man, bro. The excitement. I'm back, man. We unboxed the SMT machine. Took a small commercial break. Give you guys a quick glimpse of what they're gonna look like on the bike. Never mind the garage, but man, after debating so many different style of wheels, man, I'm happy. I'm more than happy. That's gonna work, bro. That's gonna hit nice on the road glide. That's gonna kill him. That's definitely gonna kill him, boy. The boy is back in the game. That's gonna hit hard. We're gonna unbox the rear in a little bit. You guys get the point. You got the 21 in the front though. 18 rear when it gets unboxed. We're gonna throw that on. We're gonna really be out here ready to get this crack. Yep, we're gonna go ahead and do the second unboxing for the rear tire. I'm not gonna put you guys through watching me cut the box open, get rid of all the styrofoam, popcorn, and etc. Just get you guys a finished product when the wheel out the box. Get back at you in a second. All right, we back. There you go, the 18-inch rear. Once again on that matching Dunlop SMT machine. Everything came balanced and done up for us. All we got to do is slap it on and we're good to go. I'm really liking the choice I made. Yep, really enjoying the choice I made on the wheel. Took a lot of debating back and forth, not really canceling orders, but getting things in the cart. And all of a sudden doing a process of elimination, getting everyone's opinion, getting people I know people I value their opinion. But I'm happy with the way everything came out. I think we're gonna be pretty good, man. Keep all this clean and this is gonna work out, man. We're gonna try to get this installed in the next day or two to come. Kind of go from there, man. Like the content, give me a like, comment, subscribe. More content on the way. I'll let your boy.